get us. The white OJ in the hallway, the long full force play. One leg up on the velour break. Getting shrouded while I'm eating strudel.
Let's show these movie people how we roll. Come on, Frank.
Whatever you say. Oh, we filming shit here, huh?
Cross the street when you see us by the store. I'm off the leash, dick hanging on the floor.
That was your fault.
Rolled up in the waistband of the old knives. You thought you had your little shit. Thinking that but not mine. My bitch will choke you out with strong thighs. Strong features in the face from the Winnie. Smoking dope, doing 360s in the Mini. She had the Mini.
What's up, y'all? It's your partner, Big Boy. That's right, we banging here, man. We banging stuff right here that nobody else in the country is banging. Now you know you got to love that.
Get off the road!
Coming at you live from Los Santos, home of the one true American.
Hey, be careful!
No, not movies. No, not marketing. We're talking about gangster rap. The one thing.
Oh, shit!
Franchise coffee shops. We're #1 at coffee style.
Left here.
You know what? Some people.
Shit, cool, homie.
Remember, this is your Terrier's car.
Yeah. Hey, open up, homie. Give me some room.
You want room? Go lose some weight with your fat ass.
Gang crime is on the rise. Experts blame lack of movies.
Look out the way!
It's official. Oxymonism is not a cult.
Credits roll on another historic vinyl movie studio.
Hey, watch out!
Swings again as Stone Strong.
Kevin Westwood, Los Santos' legendary billionaire investing guru, was celebrating along with Don Percival, CEO of a controversial private security business yesterday. Weston announced his fund had taken an 11% stake in Merriweather. Percival, meanwhile,
Keep up, homie.
Hey, I'll come at you from the shoulders, homie.
domestic operations. Expect more privatized high-security firms to begin domestic operations as the war on terror continues to...
We buzzing the Union Depository, motherfucker.
That super bank? Oh, fuck you an idiot.
Sensationalism. The recent...
What you going slow up the road for, dog? Move over so the traffic can flow through.
Whatever, nigga. I'll let something flow through your ass.
Dog, I ain't too sure that joke works, dog.
Oh, shit.
Oh, shit, the one time.
Be cool, fool. We got the paperwork.